Like, I felt stupid that I even thought I could come get help, you know? I felt really let down.
Only going by her first name, Tara has decided to speak up again, many years after she says her first plea for help was ignored at this community medical center's clinic in Dixon. In 2014, Tara says she had an appointment to ask for a medication refill.
I was touched inappropriately by the doctor, and I left immediately.
After discussing it with her mom, she says she called the clinic about 3 weeks later to schedule an appointment with a female physician assistant to report what happened.
I told her what happened to me, and I was just completely dismissed. I believe her exact words to me were, "I wasn't there. I don't know what happened." And I honestly couldn't even believe it, and I just felt helpless.
Until she heard from the Medical Board of California this year. Their investigation into Dr. Andy Zhu accuses him of sexually abusing 3 women altogether between 2014 and 2020. One patient was just 16 years old. A hearing is now expected before the board decides whether to revoke or suspend Dr. Zhu's license. In the meantime, though, Tara and the 2 other anonymous victims have filed a civil lawsuit against the doctor and the clinic.
If they would have listened to me right after it happened in 2014, then this probably wouldn't have happened to other girls.
We tried to reach Dr. Zhu but didn't hear back. Community Medical Center said in a statement that maintaining a safe environment for both staff and patients has always been and will continue to be CMC's priority. They would not say when or why Dr. Zhu left the clinic, but in June 2021, Dignity Health says it hired Dr. Zhu at Dignity Health Woodland Clinic in Davis. While these allegations occurred prior to the individual's employment, we are fully cooperating with the Medical Board of California as they conduct their investigation, they said in a statement. Dr. Zhu is no longer working at that clinic now either. Liz Amitri, KCRA 3 News.
And the Dixon Police Department says it investigated alleged sexual abuse in 2020 and then forwarded the case to the Solano County District Attorney. But the DA's office has not filed criminal charges. We asked why. The DA's office has not gotten back to us yet.